Hello guys, five reasons why Charles Oliveira could maybe it's a big if, but still, why five reasons Charles Oliveira could actually beat Ilya Tupuria. Number one is his size. Come on, Charles Oliveira is really big. We saw Ilya Tupuria was standing next to a fucking flyweight and he was almost his size, little bit thicker than him. Number two, Charles Oliveira has got some decent wrestling. I'm not saying Ilya Tupuria won't defend the takedowns. I'm just saying, it's like Charles Oliveira could actually get the back and do nothing and lay on top of him. Three, and this is his first test. It could go either in the form of Hamzat versus Robert Whittaker, or if not, it could go in the form of Israel Adesanya versus Jan Blachowicz. That is there. That is three. And number four, Charles Oliveira is last chance. And number five, Charles Oliveira's past opponents, if I'm not wrong, were back to back, short, stocky opponents, Arman Sarukian and Michael Chandler. Don't count Charles Oliveira out. He's got a chance. Very thin chance, but still, a chance is always a chance. Be prepared in case if there is a